Hi there, this is Stephanie DeMichael, digital learning designer and coach from Cleveland, Ohio. I wanted to share with you something I've created to hopefully help you get through creating distance learning opportunities for your students. Recently, I created a series of 5 webinars, and I've received a lot of great feedback and emails and tweets and texts about trying to get all of that into one location, and that's what I did. So if you allow me the opportunity to walk you through this website, that's exactly what I'm going to do. All you need to do to access any of the webinars and the notes within them are to click any of these 5 buttons. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and click that, and it will take you to this specific webinar where I talked about video tools to use to connect with students. You'll have access here to a YouTube video. All you'll need to do is click on that, like that, and if you want to enlarge it, click this little item here, or icon that looks like a square. So you're able to see what's. If you click here, you'll also be able to access the notes from the webinar, things that I shared with the people who are watching and important links I mentioned within the webinars. So you've got that. Also, these buttons at the bottom, hold on, sorry about that. These buttons at the bottom, one will take you back to the home screen to help you navigate. This little information button here on the home screen tells you a little bit about me. And this little lifesaver icon will take you to the help page where I've got other ways to connect with you as I keep receiving tweets and emails and texts, and I'm happy to do it. It's what I'm here to do. So here's a couple options. If you are having issues with any type of ed tech for distance learning, please use your phone or Screencastify, which is available in the Chrome store. It allows you to do to record your screen and talk through your issue, record it for me, and then just click this icon here to email it to me. Also, in response to requests for distance learning help, I have set up open office hours, or you can go ahead and schedule a one-on-one Google Meet with me. All you'll need to do are click these icons. You can access my calendar that way. Or if you just want to connect with me on social media, feel free, please, to go ahead and connect or to click on any of these icons, and you'll be able to connect with me in that way. And it's a pretty easy website to navigate. Finally, I would really like to offer up a huge shout out and thank you to this lovely lady. She is Amanda Sandoval. She's a history teacher extraordinaire in California, and it was based on her creations lately that I've modeled my own. So Amanda, if imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, consider yourself flattered. Again, if you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. You've got this. We're all in this together. Thanks for watching.